Hello kids, welcome back to our English class. So today we will study English Reader Class 2, Chapter 7. If I were a superhero. If I were a superhero, I would definitely fly. Arms outstretched, racing birds in the sky. अगर मैं सुपर हीरो होता तो मैं डेफिनेटली उड़ता, अपने आर्म्स को यानी कि कंधों को फैलाता और चिड़ियों के साथ रेस लगाता. If I were a superhero, I would have special powers like extra strong legs for jumping across towers. अगर मैं सुपर हीरो होता तो मेरे पास एक्स्ट्रा पावर होती, जैसे कि बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग लेग्स जिससे मैं क्या करता, टावर्स पे जंप करता. If I were a superhero, I would save all the oceans with my secret and magic. अगर मैं सुपर हीरो होता तो मैं सारा ही क्या ओशन को सेव कर लेता, किससे? अपने सीक्रेट और मैजिक से. If I were a superhero, I would save all the trees and the mountains and rivers, the birds and the bees. अगर मैं सुपर हीरो होता तो मैं क्या करता? ट्रीज को, माउंटेन्स को, बर्ड्स को, रिवर्स को, सबको सेव करता, सबको बचा लेता. If I were a superhero, I would help all the poor, give them food and make them hungry no more. अगर मैं सुपर हीरो होता तो मैं सारे ही पुअर्स जो कि गरीब हैं उनकी मदद करता, उन्हें फूड देता और उन्हें भूखा नहीं रहने देता. If I were a superhero, I'm sure you will agree the world would be better because of me. अगर मैं सुपर हीरो होता तो ये जो दुनिया है वो बहुत ही सुंदर और अच्छी होती मेरी वजह से. The name of the poet is Sally Gray. Find meaning. Across, from one side to the other. Magical, special power. Agree, approval of permission. Exercise, exercise time. A. Answer the following questions. A. What does the poet want to be? The poet wants to be a superhero. B. What special powers is the poet talking about? The poet wants to have extra strong legs. C. What would the poet save if he was a superhero? The poet would save mountains, river, birds and etc. if he was a superhero. D. Would the world be a better place if the poet was a superhero? Give any two reasons. Yes, the world would be a better place if the poet was a superhero because he will feed the poor and also save the mountains and rivers, birds, etc. B. Find their meanings. A. Outstretched, extended. B. Special, unique. C. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. If I were a dash superhero. I would save all the trees and the mountains and river, the birds and the bees. If I were a superhero, I'm sure you'll agree the world would be a better place because of me. D. Take the correct option. A. If the poet were a superhero, he would definitely first swim, second fly, third climb. Fly. B. If the poet were a superhero, he would help first the poor, second the rich, third no one, the poor. E. Match the following. Column A, column B. Birds, fly, snake, creep, kangaroo, jump, humans, walk. Conceptual understanding. Based on your reading of the poem, write the summary and theme of the poem. Also mention the special powers and features of the superhero in this poem and talk about in your notebook. You may ask for help from your teacher and parents. So kids, in this question, you will make a small summary and also theme of the poem with the help of your teacher and parents. Let's enjoy the poem. Siblings are people who have the same parents. Siblings often look alike but also have differences. Look at the picture of siblings below and check off the two similarities they share. So kids, here you can see pictures of two siblings and we have to see, is there something similar in between them? Freckles. Do they both have freckles? No. Blue eyes. Do they both have blue eyes? No. Height. Do they have same height? No. Curly hair. Do they have curly hair? Yes. Blonde hair. Do they have blonde hair? No. Communication. Logical thinking. Write 4 things that you would do if you were a superhero. A. Feed everyone in the world. B. Help poor people. C. Help others with their problem. D. I will also see whether they are happy or not so I can make them happy in some manner. So kids, here your chapter is finished. See you in next class.